What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a button on your GoDaddy website. So as you can see here, I'm on the website builder on GoDaddy, and to access it simply go to godaddy.com and then in your products go to websites and create or select the website that you want to add the button on. Now once in the website editor here, and to add a button here, I'll start by adding a new section. So click on the plus icon on any place that you want to add a new section between the existing sections. So click to add section, and you'll get here the types of sections that you can add. Now here under the general type, you have buttons. So if you want, you can add a list of several buttons, like each button redirects the viewer to a certain website or a certain page. Or if you want to, you can add, for example, an introduction or a privacy policy. So here are the buttons, the button types that you can add. I'll just add an introduction section here, which contains a button that you can map. Okay, let's say this one. I like this one. Already an introduction section is added, so I'll show you later how to add the or how to map the button. It should be the same process. Now that the section is added, just click on it to select it and view the settings. And here you have a button. You can click on it to choose to link the button to a page, a certain URL, a phone, or an email. And here you can set the button to also take payments instead of linking to a website or an external page. Now here you can set it to link to the home page, for example, or you can set it to redirect to a website URL, for example google.com in this example. Okay, and here you can edit the text on the button. So let's say click me. Okay, it looks good, and now we are done. And if we go up to the introduction section, we can click on the get started button here, and we can edit the same settings. So let's preview what we did here. You'll get a live preview of the website here, and if you click on the click me button, it'll redirect you to google.com.